Good evening, class. I'm Jim. It's my pleasure to give the speech entitled, Make Your Knowledge Second Nature. Thanks to the internet, people can quickly search for information. With various convenient virtual tools, we often underestimate the importance of memorization. Memorizing things seems meaningless when we can access it quickly online. However, only when we make knowledge second nature can we use them as a tool. Many complex problems are composed of smaller components, each requiring fundamental knowledge for understanding and solving. In order to effectively solve the problem, we must be highly familiar with the concept. However, while busy searching for information, we may forget the previous acquired knowledge, make it difficult to see the whole picture. For example, consider the multiplication table we learned in elementary school. Although we can still do math problems without memorizing them, it takes more time to calculate each multiplication using addition operations. We learned the multiplication table when we were young and got significant benefit from it. It becomes our second nature. If you find memorization boring, that's normal. Instead of just memorizing, strive to become highly familiar with the knowledge, as it will help you remember it more quickly and more easily. Keep using and applying knowledge until it becomes a tool in your professional skill set, which will effectively help you master your field. Thank you for listening.